Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Mackfield Main Road that takes you from Ferris to Montego Bay. It takes you up to Long Hill. And a lot of people refer to this road as a highway, but it's the Mackfield Main Road. It was recently renovated by the government and it's what you call a game changer for this area. Now with the Montego Bay Perimeter Road being built and the Long Hill bypass being built, this road will lead somewhere to where you get onto the Long Hill bypass. It may not lead directly to it or the entire way, but it takes you from, basically this will be the main road from Savlamar to Montego Bay, connecting the largest town in Western Jamaica to the only city in Western Jamaica, which is Montego Bay. You have other roads that run along the coast from Montego Bay to Negril and Negril back to Savlamar, but this is the shortest distance, this road, the Mackfield Main Road, from Savlamar to Montego Bay. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.